My name is Paolo De Stefani. I am lecturer in human rights and international law at the University of Padova, this university. So I can't say I came here to do something because I was already here. And we started actually this program, this project, as a sort of a challenge for us. So to get involved in an issue which is at the edge between human rights education, human rights activism, and also research on human rights. So humor and human rights create a space, in my understanding, for talking and researching about human rights in a different mood, in a different context. So how to, talk human rights and communicate human rights in a way which is let's say, exploring another modality of language, not the technicalities of law, politics, etc., not the, let's say, the tragic register that is always used to approach the issue of human rights, victims of human rights violations, and so on, but using humor, which is very powerful. But not very explored as a way of talking about human rights. What I take home, let's say, or keep in my mind after these days, this space is actually a workable one. So a dimension that can be explored with the help of people from different backgrounds. Professional, academic, etc. And that maybe the next step should be to unpack a little bit the idea of human rights and concentrate, focus on some specific project concerning, for example, migration or torture or freedom of expression. And in this endeavor to embark some experts, some practitioners, and see how this can also help researchers, scholars, let's say, to diversify a little bit their language, the way they produce knowledge about human rights. Because there are many ways of producing this knowledge, and humor can be a dimension underdeveloped so far, but promising.